Hi, I'm Sawyer on the product team at Jarvis Lighting. Our new WRP-N LED wrap light is built for quick clean retrofits. Let me show you how it works. Featuring an extra wide housing designed to cover up marks and scars from sealing surfaces on previously installed fixtures, the WRP-N is a perfect solution for hallways, offices, stairwells, storage rooms, workshops, and much more. It's DLC premium listed and sensor ready for easy integration with luminaire level lighting controls. The WRP-N can be mounted directly on a ceiling or surface mounted via a separately sold suspension kit. To direct mount the fixture, first remove the 2 screws on each end cap and remove the end caps. Carefully remove the lens from the fixture body, making sure that the sensor quick connect cable is not connected to the slot in the cover cap. The power supply comes into the fixture through this knockout on the back. So line up the knockout with your power supply and mark the mounting holes located at the 4 corners. Drill 4 pilot holes using a 1/4 inch drill bit if you're using drywall anchors and a 1/8 bit if you're using just screws. Ensure the fasteners provided are acceptable for your mounting application. Make your electrical connections through the knockout in the back of the fixture right here, and then line up the mounting holes on the fixture with the pilot holes that you previously drilled and install the mounting screws. Once the fixture body is mounted in place, you can replace the end caps and the lens. The WRP-N features a sensor receptacle with an easy to remove cover cap, so you can install a sensor in under a minute. This fixture is compatible with our JL220LB RDR1-01 sensor, which is capable of PIR occupancy sensing and daylight harvesting. To install the sensor, first take off the cover cap, making sure that the quick connect cable is removed from its slot inside the cap. Plug the quick connect cable into the terminal located on the back of the sensor. Finally, place the sensor into the housing and press until you hear a click into place. Just like that, your sensor is installed and ready to be added to your luminaire level lighting control platform. This fixture features selectable wattage and color temperature, which can be easily adjusted via the dip switches on the side of the housing, located right here. The switch on the left controls the wattage, which can be set to 15, 25, 30, or 40 watts. The switch on the right controls the color temperature, which can be set at 3500, 4000, or 5000 K. Because these switches are located on the exterior of the fixture, your wattage and CCT settings can be quickly adjusted at any time to fit your specific needs. Now, you know more about our WRP-N, the LED wrap light that'll take your indoor lighting to the next level. To learn more about Jarvis Lighting and the wide variety of lighting solutions that we offer, check out the other videos on our channel or visit www.jarvislighting.com. Thanks for watching.